So we have received our motherboard and the graphic card. It's from flipkart.com. Let's go and open the package. I have already received my processor and the rest of the components except the cabinet, and it will be receiving in soon, and you're gonna see the build guide soon I guess, as soon as possible. And oh, it's taped in here also. It's pretty good packaging. It's good packaging. The first one to come out is, oh, wow, lots of tape. Oh my god, lots and lots of tape. Okay. Okay. First thing is the R9 260X. It's a bit shaky. Probably the drivers and the discs. And we have the MSI G970A G46 motherboard, SLI and crossfire compatibility. It's got an AMD FX series 1 second overclocking generation 2, and the build guide will be soon on live. Thank you for watching Tech Portal. Peace.